In this video, we're going to learn how to assign a team to a particular issue. Now, for this example, we're only going to work with the bug issue type. If I hover over this red and white icon, you can see it's a bug. And if I click on it, I want a field called team to show just below assignee. Now, to do that, we're going to first have to create our team. So we're going to click on teams at the top, click create team, and we're going to name this team the bug triage team. And my team has been created. You can see this by the notification. Now the next step is going to be to create the automation rule. So we're going to click on project settings, click on automation, and we're going to create a rule. So our main trigger is going to be when the issue type bug is created. So if we type in created, we're going to select issue created. And then we have to put a condition because this is not going to apply to all issue types, but to just one particular issue type. So we're going to select a condition, issue fields condition, and we're going to set the issue type equal to bug. Then we're going to click on next, and we're going to add a new component. Then click on add an action, and we're going to search the edit issue field. You might be tempted to use the assign issue action, but if I click on it, this is just to show you guys, I can only assign it to a specific user or a user in a group or a smart value, but I can't really assign it to the team field. Okay, so this is not going to work. So I'm going to type in edit issue. I'm going to select it. I'm going to search for team. Now this is a common problem that you're going to face with automations where you can't find the field, and that's okay. We're going to click on more options, and we're going to do it via JSON. So we're going to delete all of this. And right here, we're going to type in our custom field, right? So to do that, if you press, if you're on Mac and you press the dot on your keyboard, it's going to open up this pop-up. Type in custom fields, and we're going to open this in a new tab. We're going to search for the team field, and we're going to click on view field information. And what we're going to grab is the ID, so 10001. We're going to copy this, and we're going to go back to our automation, and we're going to type in custom field 10001, and we're going to assign this to the team that we just created, but we can't type in the name. This only works with the ID. So we're going to click on teams, search for people in teams, and you're going to click on the new team that you just created, which is the bug triage team, and you're going to grab the ID up at the top. You're going to copy that. We're going to go back to our automation, and we're going to paste this. So this is the same as saying, well, the team field is assigned to the bug triage team. Then we're going to click on next, and we're going to turn on our rule. Give it a name. Let's say auto assign bugs to bug triage team. And we're going to turn our rule. We're going to click on audit log, and we're going to test this out. So let's create a new issue with the bug issue type. Name this test. And we're going to create this. If I refresh this, I get a success. And let's see it. Click on View Issue. And now we can see that our new issue is assigned to the bug triage team. Now, if you want to take it one step further and move this just under assignee, you can do so by clicking on Configure and grab the team field and place it just under the assignee. Save your changes, and there you go. Now you have this bug assigned to the bug triage team.